Hi, I'm Adrian, and this is the Brooks Adrenaline GTS 22, available in men's and women's sizes. This shoe has been a bestseller for over 20 years. It sits in the middle of our cushion category, so it's soft but not squishy, and delivers a smooth ride. The GTS stands for Go-To Support, which some runners need. Basically, our support technology helps keep your knees and ankles in line if they don't track straight as you run. Along with support, the Adrenaline GTS gives you security and comfort. The upper has structure and breathability. And we designed the midsole with our soft DNA Loft cushioning, so the ride is even smoother than before. Together with the segmented crash pad, a system of shock absorbers that accommodate your landing, the midsole makes sure you have smooth heel-to-toe transitions. The shoe is lightweight, and the midsole drop is 12 millimeters. So work out in the gear for 90 days. And if you don't love it, return it free. That's our Run Happy promise.